Hi, I'm Andrew Krause. I am the president of Cougar Rockets here at SIUE. I am a senior level mechanical engineer, and this year we have designed Kratos and Atreus as our two-stage Argonia Cup competition rocket. Some of the challenges that we faced during this construction were we were concerned about the overall strength of our epoxy. So we have added West Systems colloidal silica to our West Systems epoxy. This has greatly increased the strength and has ensured a lighter and stronger build for the fillets on our fins. Another challenge that we ran into was on the booster design and the separation. So we have decided to separate our booster from our sustainer with a black powder charge with a cover over the inlet of the sustainer motor to ensure an accidental ignition does not occur. A second black powder charge inside of the booster will push the parachute and the booster av bay out once the booster hits its average height. Inside of the sustainer, there is a second av bay here. This will, since when the separation occurs, ignite the second stage motor and continue flight. One of the concerns of the sustainer is a separation of the parachutes that is safe and redundant. So on our av bay, this will be inside of here. We have decided to put two black powder charges on both sides of the bay, each connected to a separate flight computer, ensuring redundancy if one of our computers fails.
My name is Jackson Wooten. I am the Vice President of Cougar Rockets. I am a senior mechanical engineering student, and my main focus on the competition rocket has been the avionics bay. We are going with a dual redundant avionics system with a avionics bay for the upper and lower stage. The upper stage is going to have a telemega and a telemini. The telemega allows us to maintain less than 20-degree angle and a 200 feet per second ascent before igniting the second stage. We are also using two screw switches to turn on the avionics system prior to flight. We are also outfitted with two 900 milliamp hour batteries, one for each flight computer.
I'm Alex Dornberger. I am the simulation lead here at Cougar Rockets. I'm a junior mechanical engineer. I've been working on modeling our upcoming competition rocket and open rocket and working on the simulation details for that. We are using a 54 millimeter booster motor, and that is going to be minimum diameter into a 38 millimeter sustainer. We're hoping that's going to give us the best efficiency since we're hitting that minimum diameter as long as that holds together. We are also using a 10 golf ball payload because we looked at the scoring equation and saw that it's exponential, and anything over 10 golf balls doesn't look like it's going to be worth the wait for the score.
One of the biggest challenges and constraints for the team over this last year is that we are all new members. The team died during COVID, so all existing members were not there to transfer knowledge like your average team.
As a result, we have had to deal with a much shorter budget than a lot of other teams typically have, but it has definitely been a unique challenge for us to maximize how we use our money, and we've definitely persevered through that.
And on top of all of that, this is also the first time for all of our members both working with fiberglass and building a two-stage rocket. So with all of that combined, we really learned a lot this semester, and we had to overcome a lot of challenges.
And as you can see pictured above the screen, this is our first two-stage composite rocket.
Yeah, it's just kind of a prototype just to help everyone get a lot of experience, both working with two-stage and fiberglass.
I'm David Foley. I'm treasurer of Cougar Rockets, and I'm a senior in mechanical engineering. I specialize in 3D modeling of the rocket in SolidWorks, and I also fill a lot of support roles inside of the club.
I am Josh Vandermeid. I am the junior level civil engineering student, and I worked on epoxy and finishing work for the airframe and fins of the rocket.
My name is Bradley Boyven. I am a senior electrical engineering student, and my job revolves around the avionics bay of the project, which includes battery capacity calculations and soldering of the components. Other than that, I work on electrical projects that we have revolving around the side.
My name is Fatima Martinez. I'm a mechatronics engineering major. I help with the surface finishing of the rocket, the epoxy, and the overall general construction of it, and also the aesthetic design of it.
My name is Dylan McGrain. I'm a freshman studying mechatronics and robotics engineering, and I assisted with the avionics bay and miscellaneous electrical tasks.
I'm Darcy Green. I work with the modeling of the rocket from SolidWorks. I also work on the surface finishing of the rocket.
I'm Austin Dornberger, a sophomore mechanical engineering major here at SIUE. I worked on surface finishing of the rocket, and I'm also the video editor.